We welcome all of you to our English learning channel.
English articles. Come, enjoy, learn, read, write, and pronunciate.
Hello friends, this is Neil. Hope you have seen our all sorts from letter A to letter Z. Also, episode 1 to 3 of article series. If not, please go through the same for easy learning. In this episode 4, we shall learn the application of article D with consonant sounds.
Hello friends, myself is Ruby. Let us learn the use of appropriate articles with vowels and consonants.
Articles are short monosyllabic words. We have already learned the application of indefinite articles a and an. Now we shall learn the application of definite article D that is used before the nouns. Use of definite article D is to identify a noun that denotes a particular class of person or item. Definite article D is pronounced as the, thuh, before a consonant sound. All pronunciations as the cloud, the dog, the fish, the grapes, the home, the jackfruit. Next, episode 5 is on examples with articles.
Learn with us English language, nouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs.
Learn with us English language, pronunciation, spelling, grammar, application.
Please continue to enjoy, like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you once again for visiting the channel.